Today, we're going to talk about using joins in Studio 3T. Now, real quickly, a join simply combines columns from multiple tables in a relational database like so. That's it. It joins data into one place. Now, using joins in MongoDB is not possible, as MongoDB lacks SQL functionality. But this is where Studio 3T comes into play, along with our SQL query feature. Not only can you write joins, we also support a multitude of SQL operators such as group by. You can translate your SQL query into several additional programming languages, and even connect to a variety of SQL servers. Now let's look at using an inner join. Just as a note, I'm basing this video off the work of this article, How to Create MongoDB Joins Using SQL. You'll find both the dataset and the article links in the video description below. So using an inner join, I'd like to solve the question, what books are being published by Cavendish Academy Trust? I'm going to select the pubs database in the connection pane and click the SQL button. Now I'll type a script to combine two tables or collections, and it'll look something like this. Now run the query, and you'll see you now have 5 titles. Since the query's been run, we can now use query code to generate the same query in multiple different languages, including Java, C#, Python, and PHP. Now in the next video, we'll look at using a left outer join in Studio 3T. Thanks for watching and happy querying!